This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at Microsoft. But before we do that, here's a snapshot of the market. And looks like Microsoft is breaking out on the daily chart. So let's take a look at what that means. Now the level to watch here is 112.53. So 112.53. Now I'm going to discuss in this video why I suspect this breakout might fail. Alright, looks like a good breakout there on the daily if you go by price. So as long as it is trading above 112.53, we can assume that this is a quality breakout. Stock can hold and continue higher. Otherwise, we can also use the same level, because if and when we fail to hold that breakout, that's going to be a sign of a potential major reversal. Another level to watch is the monthly closing high here, and that is at 113.39. So bulls want to see a decisive, powerful breakout above this level. If Microsoft can sustain above this level, that's good. That's a good monthly breakout. But failure to hold above this number here would be an initial red flag of running out of energy. Also, more importantly, we need to watch the RSI 69.1. If there is a price breakout failure, if this fails, and if RSI 69.1 is rejected, those two red flags will become a major guide as to the next meaningful direction, which would suggest lower prices from current levels. Now, here's a reason why I suspect there could be a failed breakout here, and it goes back to this 2-hourly chart, where we can see this line here, which as of right now looks like a backtest failure area. Again, this is on the 2-hourly, and using RSI 26, which is what I use for all time frames below the hourly time frame. So RSI 26 to be clear, and we can, by the way, why use 26? Well, the reason is I want to get rid of as many of the false signals as possible. And then we can also see that the same level where the RSI seems to be stalling could become a problem again. You can see a break here of the highs there. Now we can draw a line like that, and you can see that this line has been an issue for Microsoft. Here we got a double top, we got triple top here or something of that nature. Resistance here again. We had a breakout above that level here. We did go out ahead and break below that level, and now we are finding resistance here. So those two lines, until the market can clear those lines, chances are this is where we stall as far as Microsoft is concerned. And we also have improving in prices with declining technicals. Keep in mind that declining technicals is showing resistance around RSI 61.8. Negative divergence with RSI stalling around 61.8 tends to be the worst type of negative divergence. There should be links in the description of the video going more into these types of setups. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.